we'll guide you through how to set up Dropbox on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website by typing dropbox.com into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up button, usually at the top right corner of the page. Click it and you'll be prompted to enter your first name, last name, email, and password. Make sure to use a strong password for security. If you already have an account, you can click on Sign In instead. After signing up, you might need to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Dropbox and click the link inside to verify your account. Now that your account is set up, you can download the Dropbox application for your computer. Look for the download button on the website, usually near the top. Click it and the installer will begin downloading. Once it's finished, open the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Dropbox on your computer. After installation, open the Dropbox application and log in using the email and password you just created. Now, Dropbox will create a special folder on your computer where you can add files that you want to sync. Any files you put in this folder will automatically be uploaded to your Dropbox account and synced across any other devices you connect. You can access these files from any device with internet access by logging into your Dropbox account on the website. You can also share files with others by right-clicking on a file in your Dropbox folder and selecting Share. Enter the recipient's email address and Dropbox will send them a link to access the file. And there you have it. Your Dropbox is all set up and ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.